Hello and welcome to the video JSON set property name with me Nam Ha Ming from code Java.net. In this video, I'd like to share with you how to use the JSON property annotation provided by the FasterXML JSON library in order to set custom name, logical name for JSON property, the name that is different than the field name, and note that the JSON property annotation can be used at both field level and method level. Now let me show you some examples. In my Java Spring Boot project here, I have a detail class location detail. It has the fields code, city name, region name, country code enabled, and just. And you know, by default, the JSON property names will be the field names. Let me test GET API using Postman. Yeah, locations API. You see, in the JSON response, the property names are code, city name, region name, country code enabled, and just the names are exactly the field names. But I want to set a different name for the fields, city name, region name, and country code using underscores. So I can use the JSON property annotation and specify a custom logical name here, city underscore name, and test the API again. And now you see the field, the property city name updated to city underscore name here. Similarly, I use this JSON property annotation for the field region name. Okay, and test the API again. You see city name, city underscore name, and region underscore name. And note that the JSON property annotation can be also used at a method level, getter or setter. For example, I want to set a custom name for the field country name and country code. Country name, I use the JSON property annotation for the getter here, for the getter of country name here. Country underscore name, and use this JSON property annotation for the setter of country code field. Country underscore code. Okay, test the API again. And now we see the property names updated: city underscore name, region underscore name, country underscore name, and country underscore code. So that's how to use the JSON property annotation to set a custom name, logical name for property that is present in the JSON document in response body. That's how to use the JSON property annotation provided by the FasterXML JSON library to set a custom name, logical name for properties in JSON response. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.